just like when we cook, we have to follow a recipe. So I sat down and did a recipe on steps to calculating volume. I'm going to start you off by guiding you through on days 1 and day 2 of having you go through these steps and me asking guiding questions. By day 3, you basically have a picture and a question, and you are going to have to remember the steps. Your support is the formula from the star chart. So to help you on calculating volume, you would name the figure, identify the base by the name of the figure, identify which formula to use, calculate the area of the base. Once you calculate the area of a base, if it's a cylinder or prism, then you're going to multiply the area of the base by the height. If it's a cone or a pyramid, then you're going to do 1/3 times the area of the base times the height. Because remember, the two formulas are different. If a sphere, then identify the radius and use the formula. Here's your caution. Make sure you have a radius if that is required. If you have a diameter, then divide the diameter by 2 to create a radius. So on spheres, sometimes they'll give you a diameter. You're going to have to calculate the radius. Those are the steps to calculating volume on the 4 two-dimensional figures of prisms, cylinders, cones, pyramids, and spheres.